Are taxes set aside for that automatically? Or do you have to set aside taxes?
So in the app, I think that they do set them aside.
What do you mean you think? How do you not know?
I don't know. I guess I haven't really looked into it.
This scenario where we might think that income is being withheld or we don't know how much tax to pay on our 1099 income happens way more often than we think. And here's what you can do to make sure it doesn't happen to you. The first thing you need to do is track all your income. Some people think that because the 1099 NEC reporting limit is anything over $600, that they don't need to report the income if they don't receive a 1099. But you do need to be reporting all of your income, even if you don't get a tax form related to it. The second thing you should be doing is tracking all of your expenses. If you're self-employed or 1099, you can deduct the ordinary and necessary expenses that it takes you to run that business on your taxes. And the last thing you need to do in regards to your self-employed income is pay quarterly estimated taxes. When you're self-employed, it's different from being a W-2 or an employee, where your employer is no longer withholding taxes for you. And the IRS wants their money as you earn it too. It's important to do this because if you don't pay enough tax during the year, the IRS can assess an underpayment penalty, which means that you're just giving the IRS more money than you need if you're waiting to pay your taxes at tax time. As your business starts to grow, or as you're transitioning from an employee to self-employed or adding on a side hustle, things can start to get a little bit complicated, and you may want to ask for help. When it does come time to ask for help, make sure you're looking for a qualified CPA or financial advisor that can help you with your specific business and questions and can provide the help that you need to grow your business.